Okay, so I've got a little goatee going on here. She's gonna imitate Max Scream saying cupcakes and when he's snoring, and then I'm gonna imitate Craig Mabbitt when he says muffins. That's why I got my goatee going on.
And I got Zubas. Nope, wrong leg. Nope, other leg.
She has Zubas.
No, other way. Zomo. Zubas. Zubas. Like him. Like
Max
Green. In
Maxwell.
a something video.
Maxwell.
How about you do your little cupcake?
Cupcakes.
Yeah. Your muffins.
Just go.
5 of them.
What?
5 muffins.
Okay. Muffins. Try listening to that for 10 minutes. After a while, it sounds like Muppets.
Cupcakes. Oh God. I don't want to do his snore. Okay, for the record, this is his snore when he's sick. Otherwise, his snore is really soothing.
You want me to try?
Yeah.
You know, like, oh.
Ow.
There's my throat.
Okay, that was our invitation. We love you guys.